To make an offer on a home, what do you need to know? First, is the price of the home a fair market price? Your agent will give you good guidance on this. Also, you're protected by the appraisal if your offer is accepted, because lending institutions will not lend more than the house is worth in the present market. Second, main thing you want to know is the condition of the home. Are there structural, safety, and maintenance concerns with the home? This information is gained by having a home inspection completed by a professional home inspector. You have probably heard of some sellers who are not accepting offers with home inspections. Investors and rather desperate buyers are the group making offers to these sellers. Good news is, sellers are coming to realize they are marketing to a small sliver of the potential buyers when they do not allow home inspections. Most potential buyers are not ready to take the risk of buying in the dark. It'd be similar to buying a vehicle and the seller would tell you no test drive. You would never buy that vehicle. You might have heard of the problems buyers find when they buy without an inspection. It turns out there was a reason the sellers did not want an inspection to be completed. Also, sellers are realizing by not allowing inspections, they are leaving money on the table. More and more sellers are completing pre-listing inspections or accepting offers with a home inspection contingency, enabling a larger pool of potential qualified buyers to make offers. Again, there are two main sources of information needed to make an informed offer: completed appraisal and a home inspection. Thank you.